Hello friend, today I will show you how to deactivate permanently window update. Most of the people face problem while they updating their window automatically. Some people run their computer mobile data, so they face the problem of running out of data. To deactivate permanently window update, we have to go and search in search bar services, and we found that the services app. Enter and then click on one component of this all software items and then press W and jump program automatically, and you have to find out the window update. Here we find out the window update enable and running, so double click on it. Here we found the window stop option. First go and select manual, then click on stop, then apply. Wait a minute and OK. Here your window update is permanently disabled. When you have to enable the same window update, we have to go through the same process. Thank you, and like my video and subscribe my channels. Thank you.